200 over the line then.
We'll see.
Should do.
So I'm still a bit shit scared of it.
I've never been in this seat, by the way.
Don't do it, Ross. Don't do it.
That's it. See, that's what I should have done.
Yeah, it's taking it easy.
Sounds hard to drive, but how?
Well, he's got
He's got tunes as well.
he's got headers, hasn't he? Downpipe.
Yeah, it's
Jeez.
Straight at it, he's not messing about, is he?
Does he ever?
Straight at it. Not even letting the tyres get a tiny bit of warmth in them, just straight at
I
it.
think he's taking MDM off. Or maybe
Of course he has.
What in sport?
Really efficient. See, I can risk this, can't I? You can warm them up here, yeah. well behaved. Oh yes.
weird handling because of that.